Hi everybody, this is Diana from sweetysalado, and today we're gonna make my favorite pizza of all time, and that's how to make a margherita pizza, where all we're gonna need is tomato sauce, cheese, and basil leaves. And remember that the link for this recipe can be found in the info box below the video. To make this pizza, we're gonna need pizza dough, and I already have the recipe for this delicious pizza dough on my blog, so I'm gonna leave you the link for that recipe in the info box below. After we make it, we're gonna cover it and we're gonna let it rest for just 10 minutes, and that's gonna give us a thinner crust. After about 10 minutes, we're gonna flour a flat surface with either all-purpose flour or cornmeal. I love using cornmeal, and we're doing this so that the pizza dough doesn't stick to the counter when we work it. Now we're gonna flatten our pizza dough, and you can either use your hands to do this, you can form a crust by using your fingertips and slowly stretch it, or you can use either a rolling pin or a wine bottle, and that works just as well. We're gonna roll it out until we get a circle that measures about 14 inches in diameter. Now we're gonna cover it with pizza sauce, and this is my no-cook pizza sauce. I'm gonna leave you the link for this recipe in the info box below. I have another version on my blog. I'm also gonna leave you that link, but feel free to use your favorite pizza sauce even if you buy it at the grocery store. Then we're gonna sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top. I'm using fresh Parmesan cheese. And now we're gonna use big chunks of fresh mozzarella cheese. This is what makes this pizza so wonderful. But if you don't have it, just feel free to use shredded mozzarella cheese if that's all you have. Now we're gonna top it with fresh basil leaves. You can either place them on the pizza right before baking, or you can place them on the pizza after it's baked. It's up to you. And then finally, we're gonna drizzle it with some olive oil to add more flavor. Now we're gonna place it on a greased pizza pan or a pizza stone if you have one, and we're gonna bake it at the highest temperature that we have in our oven. Mine is about 475 degrees, and I bake it for about 10 minutes or until the edges begin to turn golden brown and the cheese melts. After that, we're gonna take it out of the oven and then we serve it. And that's how you make a delicious margherita pizza. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel so you can be up to date with all the new videos that I upload in the future. Thanks everybody for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye, and buen provecho.